Now I'm gonna fry another egg with sweet pepper. I'm using my safe knife again. I need to cut a ring. Cut, 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 cut. Cutting a pepper is not easy, but I'm trying my best. That's the ring I wanted to cut. Please subscribe to my channel. I need to crack another egg. Don't forget to like this video. My hands got sticky. I need to have a tissue. First we fry the pepper. Then I add the egg, a pinch of salt, and then I start frying. I turn it over to make sure it's cooked on the other side. Sweet pepper egg is ready. It's yummy. Don't forget to like this video. It's yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye.